Hi, soulmates, welcome to class. So in today's class, we are going to learn how to cut a simple cowl neck top. So if this is the first time you are watching this channel, thank you. Now let's start. I'm going to use this sequin fabric. It's 1 yard. I'm going to use pattern paper because of the front, so we'll not waste fabric. So let's start. So I'll keep this aside now. So now the first thing I want to do now is to measure the full length of my blouse. I want the blouse to be is 25 inches, so I'll just measure the length of this. So this is 24. It means I'm going to add extra inches to it on the fabric, so the full length like this is 24. So the first thing I want to do is to come down by 1 inch so I can create my borderline. Good. Now this is the back. I'm doing the back first. So now that I'm done, I'm going to measure my shoulder. My shoulder is 16 divided by 2 is 8 inches. So this is the shoulder measurement. So when I do that, I'm going to come down a bit too and also measure the shoulder. Come down a bit. So I'm going to draw a line. So I'm just extending the shoulder line down. Now I want to create a shoulder slope for the back. This is the back, please. So what you do, you go in by 2.5 inches. It's universal. And for the back, you come down by 0.75. Connect it. Good. So now you are going to measure your bust divided by 6 plus 2 inches. We want to get our chest line. So my bust divided by 6 plus 2 inches. Look at where I'm putting my tape rule, please. I'm putting it from the starting line. I'm ignoring this shoulder slope. So from the starting line, my bust divided by 6 plus 2 inches is 8.7. So I'm just going to mark it. I will still extend it like this, 8.7. Because I want to extend the line out. Please note I started from this place. Good. Now that I'm done, I'm going to measure shoulder to waistline. So the shoulder to the waistline is 17 inches. So I'm going to use this to do the hip. I'll just extend it down on the fabric. So this is 17 inches. Since it's a free top, now this is our waist, this is our hips, and this is our chest line. Now on the chest line, you are going to measure this whole length, 8.75. So you divide 8.7, you divide it by 2, 8.7. So you can just fold your tape roll like this. I'm trying to get the midpoint. So this is it. So for the back, you come in by 1/2 inch. So you connect this place to this place. Then you measure your bust divided by 4. Person's bust is 40 divided by 4 is 10 inches. I'm not adding allowance yet, so you just connect it. You can use free hand. See, this is a free top. It's a free top. Now I've connected this. So these are armor. The waist is 36 divided by 4 is 9 inches. The hips is 42 divided by 4 is 10.5. It's a free top, so I can use free hand. So this is hip. So you just connect. So now you cannot add your extra allowance you want. Since this is a free top, I'm adding 2 inches. So I'll use 1/2 inch to sew it. 2 inches. 2 inches. So I can just connect it. So this is a free top. Make sure this place is not sharp. And you extend this line like this. Now for the neck, please, this is a cow neck top. Don't make the neck too wide. If it is too wide, your breast will be showing out. So I'm using 3 inches for the width of the neck, and the depth is 1.5. Please, you can make it 1 inches. Don't make it just don't make it too low, because the front will be low already. So now that I'm done with the back, so this is the back. I can cut it out. I'm going to add extra inches here to make the length longer, so I can now cut it out. So now the first thing you do again, just the way you did for the back, you come down by 1 inch to serve as our borderline. So I'm coming down by 1 inch. This top is very fast to sew. It will not take you up to 30 minutes to make this top. Good. So our shoulder divided by 2, 8 inches is 16 divided by 2 is 8 inches. So I'm just going to mark this 8 inches down also and extend it. And you do the shoulder slope too. You go in by 2.5 inches. Now for the front, you come in by 1 inch. So if you notice the difference between the back and the front, the front you come down by 1 inch, the back you come down by 0.75, because our back is higher than our front. So you just mark it. Our armhole was divided by 6 plus 2 inches, 8.7. Starting from this line, 8.7, you mark it. So now what you are going to do for this one, extend the 8.7 line, mark that same 8.7 here like this. Now you extend it. Can you see it? So the difference is now this should be like our chest line. So this is our chest line. So now you are going to measure your waistline. Waist is 17. The waist, and this is hips. So our bust divided by 4 is 10 inches. Waist divided by 4 is 9 inches. Hips divided by 4 is 10.5. So connect it together. So now you're going to add 2 inches extra. Remember we added 2 inches, so I will use half inch to sew it. Is a free top. Good. Make sure this place is not sharp. So now, as usual, we are going to measure this place 8.7, divide it by 2 to get our armhole curve. So on this place now, for the front, you come in by 0.75 inch. That's the difference. For the back, we came in by half inch. The front, you come in by 0.75 inch. So you connect this from here to this place, connect it to this place. You can use your ruler or your free hand. It's a free top. So, and this one is armless. This is how it will look like. So now that we are done, you will leave the neck like this, please. All you have to do, you can just measure the 3 inches neck width by 3, neck depth. Please make it 1.5. It shouldn't be more than this. If not, your cow neck will be showing your breast. So you can cut it out now. This is the front and this is the back. So now let's transfer it to our fabric. So now that I've pinned it, remember that I said I want to add extra inches to the back, because the length now is this 23 and it's supposed to be 25. So I'm adding 2.5. I'm adding 3, sorry, 3, because I'll still turn it. So I'm adding 3. So now for the front, what you are going to do for the front now, you see this chest line, you know we extended it here, you're now going to slash it. You're going to open it up. Please don't cut it to the end though. So you're now going to place it and you open it like this. Remember, I want to add inches to the down, that's why it's like this. So you're going to open it like this. So you're now going to open this place, you're now going to place it like this. So you allow this place relax. Can you see it? So what you are going to do, you are going to take your ruler. The wider you open it, the more deep your cow neck should be. So you just measure it. I think this should be enough. This is like 7.5 inches. So the wider it is, the deeper your cow neck. If it's too wide, your bust will open. Now for us to, if you open it like this, you are now going to connect this line, connect it to this place. So if you do it like this, you don't need to do interfacing for the front. So all you need to do is to just cut bias and cover it. But make sure you notch this place so you know that this is where the neck starts and this is where it stops. Do you understand? So now let's cut it out. So like I said, the wider you open it, the deeper it is. If you open it too wide, to come down, your bust will be showing. So this is 7.5. This is sufficient for me. It means the cow neck will be, the depth will be 7.5, and it's okay. Then I'll just add the 3 inches I wanted to add at the down part. Then I'll cut it off. So this is just perfect for it. Remember I added half inch to the shoulder area, so I'm cutting it by half inch too. So I'm just going to start from here. So now in order for you not to be confused, you can notch this place by half an inch. You can notch it so you will know that this is where the shoulder starts from when you want to join the shoulder, so you will know. So I've notched it. Now let's remove it and see what we've done. So I can add it to look like this. And this is the shoulder. So it should look like this. So let's sew it now. Then I'll show you how everything will look like. So this is the front. So the next thing I'm going to do now, turn it to the right side. This is confusing because it's sequin fabric. So you know I've notched the neck earlier, the shoulder earlier. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this black bias. So on the right side, you start from this notch part. This is where I notch. So this is the shoulder. So you ignore it. So I'm going to put the bias like this and sew it. And sew it like this and stop in this other place where I notched. You know this is the shoulder. So when you stop it here, then you now turn it and turn it for the front. Then for the back, you also turn it right side, place your bias, turn it, come and show you. Turn the back. So this is it. So now you are going to place the right side of the back and the look at how I turned it to. Can you see it? So it forms this kind of V. So you are going to place the right side of the back facing the right side of the front. Remember we notched the shoulder. That's how I'm able to know that this is the shoulder. So I'm just going to hold the shoulder together and sew the shoulder. Hold the shoulder from that place you notched to the front and the shoulder of the back. So it's when you're done, you're going to sew the side and I'm going to hem it down and I'll come and show you how it looks like. I've held it by half an inch. I've closed it up. I also held the shoulder by half an inch. So our cow neck top is coming up now. Can you see how it looks? So when the person wears it to drop, so the wider you make it, the more deeper it becomes. So this is perfect for someone of bust 40. So the next thing I want to do now is to just turn this in by 1 inch. Then the armhole. Since this is armlet, I'm going to use my bias. I'll place it like this and just turn it around and sew it inside. So when I'm done, I'll come and show you the final result of this look. So this is the final look of our blouse, armless. So the more we do it, the deeper it becomes. So the more you open it, the deeper it will be. But this is perfect for someone of this bust. So if you like this video, kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Bye.